I still can't believe cottage cheese and applesauce make brownies that taste this good. These high-protein brownies are rich, fudgy, and here's the twist. They're made with cottage cheese. Sounds weird, huh? But trust me, it works. Simple ingredients, deep chocolate flavor, and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Let me show you how it's done. Start by lining a baking tray and preheating the oven to 180 degrees. In a bowl, add flour, cocoa powder, protein powder, honey, and a pinch of salt. Next, in a blender, add the egg whites, whole eggs, cottage cheese, applesauce, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Using cottage cheese adds an extra boost of protein, plus it helps keep the brownie nice and moist. Blend for about 10 seconds until smooth. We don't want any cottage cheese curds in the batter. Now we're going to pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Fold it together until you get a thick, smooth batter and everything is combined. And if you want an extra chocolatey brownie, you can add some chocolate chips. I mean, who doesn't like extra chocolate? Pour the batter into your lined tray and spread it evenly. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how fudgy you like your brownies. If you like moist, gooey brownies, I recommend slightly under baking them. Once you're done baking, set them on the counter. I know it's hard, but try to resist digging in and let the brownies cool completely before cutting them. Cut your brownies into pieces, drizzle them with some chocolate, and add nibs for that extra crunch. And that's all there is to making high-protein chocolate brownies. We got the classic brownie flavor and texture, rich, fudgy, but without the sugar crash. If you try these, tag us so we can see how fudgy your brownies turn out. And tell us, what do you think about adding cottage cheese in a dessert?